Unlocking the mystery. Lose one's tongue. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a rather interesting phrase, lose one's tongue. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what it meant? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to unlock the mystery behind this expression. Let's get started. At first glance, lose one's tongue might sound a bit strange. After all, how can someone literally lose their tongue? But in English, this phrase isn't taken literally. Instead, it's a figurative expression used to describe a situation where someone becomes speechless or unable to speak. This could be due to shock, astonishment, nervousness, or even shyness. It's as if their tongue has been lost, leaving them unable to formulate words. To help you understand how this phrase is used in context, let's look at a few examples. Imagine you're at a party, and suddenly, your favorite celebrity walks in. You're so shocked and excited that you can't even say hello. In this scenario, you've lost your tongue. Or perhaps, you're about to give a presentation in front of a large audience. As you stand before them, your mind goes blank, and you can't remember what to say. You've temporarily lost your tongue because of nerves. Another common situation is being confronted with a question that you're unprepared to answer. The surprise might make you lose your tongue for a moment. Using lose one's tongue is relatively straightforward. It's often used in conversational English, especially when sharing stories or experiences where someone was left speechless. It's not typically used in formal writing or speeches but can be a great way to add color to everyday conversations or storytelling. Here's how you might use it. When I saw the surprise party my friends threw for me, I totally lost my tongue. He usually loves to argue, but when presented with the facts, he lost his tongue. Understanding phrases like lose one's tongue can add depth to your English communication, allowing you to express complex emotions and situations in a few words. It's all about the beauty of language and its ability to convey so much with so little. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and perhaps even inspired you to use it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.